PMD Beauty sent me this Personal Microderm Classic thing to try out. I'm not a spa girly, so I don't know how to use this. I don't really know what's gonna happen when I open this box. So if you're like an expert in skincare and like microderm stuff, just don't watch this video because you won't like it. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Opening the box is always the hardest part for me. We're in. 100% of people saw smoother skin. 96% noticed increased skincare benefits and 90% noticed healthier looking skin. It's so pretty. Look at that. I'm actually so scared right now. So it comes with a cord. I'm really actually quite scared right now. White training disc. What is that? I'm terrified. Kind of like a power tool, but really pretty. So it looks like that. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I can tell I'm nervous because I'm like dropping everything on the ground. Glide quickly along skin. Do not apply pressure. Do not pause in one area. Only one pass per area. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Suctions. It suctions. Ready? Okay, that's cool. So I guess the first step is to go wash my face. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so my face is cleansed. I'm so scared, you guys. Like there's there's a spinning disc. So yeah, I guess it's normal to be a little bit scared, but this is the training disc. So I'm gonna use this one on my face. And we're gonna see how it goes. Okay. So it says to pull your skin tight. Honestly, that little patch that I just did is so smooth. There's no way that that happened so quickly. I'm friggin' pumped. So I'm gonna change out the disc. I'm gonna take out the training one and put on the ultra sensitive one because I'm a chicken. So I did have to pull pretty hard to get this off, but it does just pull straight off, and then you'll reveal the metal post to which you can attach the disc. Okay. Okay, so immediately I'm feeling a little bit of warmth, nothing painful or uncomfortable, but definitely warm. A little bit sensitive. Mind you, I've never done this before. So that being said, of course, it's gonna feel a little bit foreign to me and my skin. You can see a little bit of discoloration right here from where it's suctioned on, which is crazy. Wow, okay. Immediately, oh my God. It feels like baby skin right now. So right away, you're supposed to feel softer skin, which check, I definitely do. And then in, I think it's like 8 weeks is when you're supposed to see the most dramatic results. And you are supposed to use it once a week. All of these directions are in the how-to guide. So make sure you read it really carefully. I'm gonna continue using this on the rest of my face in the mirror. I will be back after 8 weeks to give my final review. Thank you, PMD Beauty. So excited to keep using this for the next few weeks and share my results with you.